Algorand cost most certainly equivalent to $0.1055 a coin, in a kind of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1045-0.1061 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 0.1058. Or so they essentially thought. The change in a real sense was 0.0003, 0.28%, which especially is genuinely critical. Converse rate, United States dollars to algo in an unpretentious way. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.11, kind of most extreme 0.12, really least 0.10, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.11, by and large greatest 0.12, for the most part least 0.10 in a very significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.11, especially most extreme 0.12, in every way that really matters, least 0.10 in an in every practical sense, huge way. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, least 0.10, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, genuinely least 0.10, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Algorand value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, August 14, cost $0.11, extremely greatest 0.12, essentially least 0.10 in an in every practical sense, huge way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.11, lovely most extreme 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, by and large least 0.10 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.11, lovely most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, truly further appearance how Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.11 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand figure on Friday, August 18, cost $0.11, most certainly greatest 0.12, beautiful least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $0.11, truly most extreme 0.12, especially least 0.10, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.10, truly most extreme 0.11, least 0.09, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, least 0.09, which in every practical sense is very critical. Algorand estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.10, kind of most extreme 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which truly is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, especially least 0.09. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, August 28, cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09 in a truly significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.10, by and large greatest 0.11, certainly least 0.09, which fundamentally is very huge. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.09, lovely most extreme 0.10, beautiful least 0.08. So in 3 weeks Algorand estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.09, extremely greatest 0.10, genuinely least 0.08 in a kind of significant manner. Algorand gauge on Friday, September 1, cost $0.09, especially most extreme 0.10, certainly least 0.08 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, September 4, cost $0.09, kind of greatest 0.10, truly least 0.08, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, September 5, cost $0.08, genuinely most extreme 0.09, lovely least 0.07. United States dollars to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale, kind of equivalent to 9.4787 coins per $1 in a quite enormous manner. Today's reach, 9.4251 exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby, 9.4518, exhibiting that Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.10, really most extreme 0.11 in every practical sense, least 0.09 in a sort of significant way. Change for now plus 0.0269, plus 0.28%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Algo cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future, and month.dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, August 7, cost 9.091 coins, genuinely greatest 10.000, least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Algo forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost 9.091 coins, for the most part greatest 10.000, kind of least 8.333. Which by and large shows that Algorand value kind of equivalent to $0.1055 a coin in a sort of huge manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 9, cost 9.091 coins, especially most extreme 10.000, least 8.333, or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 9.091 coins in every practical sense, greatest 10.000, sort of least 8.333, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday, August 11, cost 9.091 coins, especially most extreme 10.000, certainly least 8.333, which is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, August 14, cost 9.091 coins in every practical sense, greatest 10.000, lovely least 8.333, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, August 15, cost 9.091 coins, most extreme 10.000, by and large least 8.333, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars